Welcome back to another video from WEBA. Today we are going to learn how to customize the side button of your smartwatch. Yes, this little one right here. Did you know that button can be configured to take you exactly where you want inside the watch? Well, that's what we are going to learn today. So let's jump into the video. First of all, what is this side button for? This button is used to switch between screens, directly access sport modes, open heart rate monitoring, control music playback, activate the remote camera, or even turn the watch on, off, or lock it. What it can do depends on your smartwatch available features. Now, how we customize it directly from the watch? First, go to settings, scroll all the way down and look for the option that says more. Inside more, scroll down and find the settings that says side button configuration right here. In my case, it's currently set up to sports mode. If I press the button now, it takes me straight to that section, but let's change it. Back to more, enter side button settings again, and let's set it to blood pressure. Once you select it, you will see the watch now opens the blood pressure monitor when you press the button. You can keep monitoring it with other options. For example, we could select heart rate. Now when we go back to the main screen and press the button, it takes us directly to the heart rate function. That's how easy it is to configure the side button. Now, if you want to do this from your smartphone, open the app for your smartwatch, Fit Pro, or whichever one your device uses, and make sure your watch is paired. Inside the app, look for something like customize shortcuts or button settings. From there, you can choose the functions you want the button to perform and confirm it. But heads up, not all apps have these features available. That's why I'm just giving you a general idea instead of showing it step by step, because in my case, this watch isn't updated or paired with the right app. Let's check another one. If I go into settings of this other watch, I see that pressing the side button takes me to sport mode, but it doesn't let me to change the settings. It only gives option for vibration settings, background configuration, privacy settings, but not the shortcuts itself. So here are a few quick tips. Assign the functions you use the most, like heart rate or sport. Avoid choosing things you might open by accident. And if you can't find the option to customize the button, double check if your model supports it. If your watch has a side button, there's a good chance it does. That's for today's video. I hope you like it. It helps you a lot. If it did, please give us a like, leave a comment, and share this video. It really helps me to reach more people. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.